in general, is putting a TV over a fireplace, does that damage the electronics? Is it that, people think, oh, that's destroy the life of my television if I put it over that. Tell us a little bit about how it works and how you can make sure to mitigate any harm that might come to your TV from overheating.
That's a great question. We, like you said, we do notify you when it's too hot. But what we've learned is that just about all TVs, I can't speak for every single TV to an exact number, but all TVs are generally rated to handle 120 degrees of heat without any damage. So it really comes down to thinking about how hot does your fireplace get, and in some cases, how deep is your mantle? And this is just for when it's above the mantle, right? When it's above the mantle, forgetting whether you have a MantelMount or not, you want to measure, and you want to know that your TV is not more, that the heat getting to your TV is not more than 110 or 120 degrees. We go with 110 to be safe, right? So if you've got one of these humongous fireplaces and it's wood burning, and you're going to throw in a ton of wood and it throws off a ton of heat, may not be the best idea to put your TV over the fireplace. However, there's usually a mantle in the way, and the mantle blocks a lot of that heat from going to the TV. Years ago, people were very concerned with smoke and soot affecting the wires. In the whole time I've been in this business, I haven't heard of one case where that's actually happened. I think it was more of a sales pitch at one point in time to get people not to do it, and not that people didn't believe it, but I've never actually seen that happen. Most of the newer homes these days have gas fireplaces, and they don't really put off a lot of heat at all. So they're almost kind of a non-issue because there's always a mantle over them, and there's some serious distance between the actual where the fire is coming out and the height of the mantle.